This channel was able to make $2,000 last month by making simple AI wisdom story videos, which literally takes only up to 30 minutes to make, and they got more than 150K subscribers with only a few videos. They use a simple ChatGPT generated script and an AI voiceover with simple AI images to make these videos that get hundreds of thousands of views because people enjoy watching these videos.
Yes, they do!
In today's video, I will cover everything from writing professional scripts, generating realistic AI voiceover, generating high-quality AI images, and finally editing everything in an editing software. So let's begin. Our first step would be to generate professional script that doesn't sound like a lawyer from 70s. So we will simply give ChatGPT a professional prompt. We are professionals, baby. Don't worry, all the prompts will be in the description. So we will just get our script. It's that easy, but I will also advise you to do some changes in the story to make it more engaging by replacing some sentences or words. Okay, so now again, we will give ChatGPT another prompt so that we can effortlessly get our images without even wasting a single minute. We will ask ChatGPT to provide us at least 20 prompts of images so that we can generate images in Leonardo AI. This step will save you a lot of times as ChatGPT will automatically provide you prompts of images related to your story, so you don't have to do the hard work, but you can still write prompts by your imagination if you are creative. Now let's head towards 11 Labs for our voiceover. I will simply copy up my script and paste it here. Now you can explore tons of voices from the voice library. Well, I'm going to use Adam, because people actually love Adam's voice, so simply generate your voiceover and download it. This step has no rocket science. Now for our images, let's head to Leonardo AI. I will simply copy up the first prompt and paste it here like this. Now I will tell you some secrets to get incredible results that I have tried lately. Trust me, the results will shock you. First, choose this AI image model, okay? Now change image ratio into 9:16 and then add this additional prompt after every prompt and then just generate. This additional prompt will basically enhance the image quality with maximum details to make the image look just like Midjourney. It will be in the description, don't worry, I got you covered. So here are our images. Amazing, they are even better than I thought. Now to add motion in our images, simply click on this motion button to change your image into animation. Now you don't need to animate every image, just animate those images that you think will look more better with animation. And here our animation is also ready and it's so good. Okay fellas, it's time for some magic. Let's import all our materials in an editing software. Now I will simply place my voiceover on the timeline and I will remove these empty spaces from the voiceover. It's just because they feel so awkward, so we will just not take the risk. Okay, when the voiceover part is done, place your clips on the timeline and adjust the clips according to the voiceover. We want to match the images with the voiceover. We generate a lot of images so that we can add a new image every 3 seconds so that the viewer remains hooked. That's the secret, guys, for higher audience retention, because if we use the same image as the scene in our voiceover, it will make the viewer feel like he is watching a short movie. And I have seen comments in my shorts where people say it felt like I am watching an animated movie, and it feels so good when someone appreciates your hard work. Okay, when you have done this part, then go to transitions and drag and drop this black fade transition between your clips. I won't recommend you to use those flashy and shaky animations. A simple black fade transition gives a calm vibe. And now just go to animations, then go to combo ones. Now I will simply use this zoom in and zoom out animation on each clip. You can take your time and try different animations if you want to. There are so many animations, including 3D animations. You can take your time and choose a specific type of animation for your shorts. This will make the viewer to instantly catch that this video is of that particular YouTuber. We basically call it branding, and we are also done here. Guys, when it comes to hook a viewer, this simple yet effective part plays a big role. Yes, I am talking about captions. CapCut has a feature that can generate captions in just one click, and we call it auto captions. You can simply generate them, and when the captions are ready, you can choose a template from these here. These steps usually take hours, but in CapCut you can do it in seconds. Now guys, just place the captions in the middle of the screen, and now go to filters and search for clear to filter, and then simply drag and drop this filter on the timeline and stretch it on the complete timeline. Now guys, for background music you can try Pixabay. I will simply use a music that I have with me. I will simply now reduce its volume, and that's it. Our video is ready. Let's watch it.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old owl named Ollie. Ollie always sat quietly in the tallest tree, listening to the happenings around him. One day, a group of young animals came to Ollie seeking advice. They were arguing about who was the most important among them. Ollie smiled and said, "In the forest, each of you has a role to play, like pieces of a puzzle. The strength of the forest lies in unity, not in one being more important than the other. Remember, when you work together, you create something beautiful and strong." And from that day on, the animals animals understood the value of cooperation and lived harmoniously ever after.
Guys, trust me, that was just far beyond my expectations. You see, it only took a few minutes to create an amazing video. Guys, I have got something else for you. If you are interested in making viral Instagram reels, then just watch this video popping on the screen. It's only for you.